in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fill your formulas here in the Google Sheets mobile app. So if you're working on some data and you want to quickly fill out a range with formulas, here's how you're going to do it. So in this example data, I have some units sold and unit price. And to get the total sales, what I'm going to do is to multiply the two of them. So let's get started with our formula first. I'm going to tap on this first cell on our total sales, go to the formula bar at the bottom, and start our formula. So I'm going to put in an equal sign. There we go. Then select the units sold multiplied by the unit price, and that will be our total sales. If I tap on the check mark right here, here we have it. Now, how do we fill out the rest of our range right here? Well, what we're going to do is to select that first cell where we have our formula. Then we're going to drag this down to select the rest of our range, including the one at the top where the formula is. Then tap on that selected range again and go to the ellipsis until you see the option autofill. If we tap on this, there we have it. We've quickly filled out the rest of our range with the same formula. So if I tap on this one right here, you will see the same thing. We have D3 multiplied by E3. Next one, D4 multiplied by E4, and so on. So again, how do we do that? First, we're going to select the cell where that formula is, then drag it down, tap on that selected range, go to the ellipsis, and select autofill. And that's the fastest way to fill your formulas here in the Google Sheets mobile app. If you want to learn more on how to use the Google Sheets mobile app, I will be leaving a card to the full playlist at the top right corner. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.